Hello, this is Chris with All States Home Improvement. We're out here on the Neiman Siding project. Just want to share with you a little bit about why they contacted us to replace their siding. They had existing vinyl siding on here that's been on here for a number of years. They were having trouble with it staying on. It would come off in the wind. They had trouble with Mother Nature putting holes in it. So they got to the point where they were just fed up with it and wanted to look at alternatives. So we left part of the overhangs as they were and replacing all the siding and the trim with James Hardie fiber cement siding. As you can see behind me, we're installing our ceramic siding sealer. So this product is not paint, it's better than paint. So we're gonna give you an idea of what that's about as well. We're all finished up out here at the Neiman residence with our fiber cement siding project and our paint that has ceramic technology with military grade color pigment and high urethane content, the most durable finish available for your siding. They're very happy with how everything turned out. They had a great experience with our company. They loved our communication, our cleanliness, the workmanship that went into the project, and the overall attention to detail. They feel very confident in the new siding that has solved the issues that they were having with their existing vinyl siding. There was a lot of repair and maintenance with that product. It would come off in the wind, and it was cracking and buckling. So no more of those issues anymore with this new fiber cement project. They really love the curb appeal that the new siding has provided for their home. Just the overall look and feel of the home has completely changed. And also the home value has increased. So overall, they're just very proud of the project, and so are we.